having troubleshootings or it couldn't get your foil chamfer properly, the premium iHo chamfer foil is definitely gonna be a bestie because she's will chamfer everything you wanted it. The first one I did with Chevrolet like have a V shape, and the second ones I'm just gonna do it diagonal right here. Okay, so I'm gonna key this for 30 seconds. Mrs. Get it straight. That's awesome. You can get couple of chamfer foil, couple of 40 gels. And then when you're doing 40 gels, make sure you are adding this is 40 gel bestie, which is the dual brush 3D brush. So one end will be for your 40s and 5D gels, and the other ends for your acrylic is 3D flowers. Okay, so I'm excited because we're gonna do some beautiful cutes on that nails. So I did few of them for you, and then continue to doing a lot of different cool designs for you as well. So stay tuned. If you haven't get chance, hi Mika. And if you haven't get chance to turn on the notifications, you can hit the button on the top right to turn on the notifications so you can watch our live every day without missing anything. So I'm gonna give it really good press, and then if you are feeling like it's not pressing enough, here is the dual tweezers, and on the other end is really curved, perfect with the structure of the nails, and it can press it down really nicely, and we'll remove it. You see how good it is? It's completely removed. All right, you put it in there. I need the boxer. And then now we're gonna go ahead and do it with the condensed glue gels, and you're gonna pick up just a smaller amounts. If you are going to do is if you are doing is pointed backs crystal, you probably might need a little bit more. However, if you're doing a flat back, you don't want to do too much, you don't want to do too little. Again, too much it's gonna flood your crystal. If too little, it's not going to adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna floating the no wipe chalkboard on the top of condensed glue gels. And then we're gonna start doing this. Super cute. I'm loving this one. This one I was thinking of when I'm doing this one, just besides this beautiful kits of the neon that I'm using, like just imagine it that is combined. Can you open this one? If it combined with the glow in the dark kits, it's gonna be so awesome. So the frames I got it is from the kits as well. So in this time we have the frame in silver, and then we have a frame in gold and silver matching and mixings. Right. This design you can definitely using it straight, or you can use this like is cascades down, however you would like. And I'm adding is here the centerpiece. I adding 2 big frame first, and then 2 pieces of SS16, SS12 actually, SS12s, and then I will add the frame on the sides, and then add more crystal, and then I did the SS10s and SS8s, and you can gradually going is smaller. I'll add some pink here. Some pink here. I am love this design. It's so beautiful. And now you can add beads on. I'm gonna add some of this. This is SS4. And adds couple colors. It comes like a whole entire collection. Here you go. See how simple it is? I promise you will never go wrong with this. It's because it's all the shape. It's just really compatible together. Did you change for that? No. Didn't change it. And here's a tip and trick. You can add your beads between your crystals or between crystal and frame. There you go. And you can continue to edit more as you want. If you don't want to, not a big deal. You can clear. But I think I love it. Maybe one more right there. I keep saying one more and I will add 10 more. But it's so beautiful. So easy to work with. If you're happy with this, we're going to clear for 60 seconds.